Good morning, students. Today topic is condition for the straight line lying in a plane and the angle between the lines and the planes. Okay. Now, first recall the definition. Number one, coplanar. Coplanar means C vector minus A vector dot product of P cross C is equal to 0. The condition for coplanar of two lines. Coplanar of two lines is C vector minus A vector dot product of B cross is equal to 0. Number 2, the angle between the two planes. The angle between the two planes. If theta be the angle between two planes, then cos theta is equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector magnitude in the direction divided by magnitude in the direction of n1 vector into magnitude in the direction of n2 vector. The angle between a line and a plane. If theta be the angle between the line and the plane, then sin theta is equal to b vector dot d vector divided by magnitude in the direction of b vector into magnitude in the direction of d vector. Number 4, the distance between the two straight lines. The distance between the two parallel lines. D be the distance between the two lines T1 minus D2 divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. These are the 4 points. These 4 points are very important for this topic. Okay. Now, EX number 6.8. Sum number 1. So that the straight line r vector dot phi a vector plus 7j vector minus 3k vector plus 3 into 4i vector plus 4j vector minus 5k vector and another line r vector dot 8i vector plus 4j vector plus 5k vector plus t into here yes t into 7a vector plus j vector plus 3k vector or coplanar find the vector equation of the plane which they lie. let r vector is equal to first line 5i vector plus 7j vector minus 3k vector plus ac into 4i vector plus 4j vector minus 5k vector. Second line 8a vector plus j vector plus 5k vector of t into 7i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. These are the given two lines. Here a vector is equal to first line first box a vector is equal to 5a vector 7j vector minus 3k vector. B vector is equal to first line second box 4i vector plus 4j vector minus 5k vector. C vector is equal to second line first vector 8i vector plus 4j vector plus 5k vector, and d vector is equal to 7i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. Now first to find b cross d, since the lines are coplanar. The condition for coplanar of two lines is the condition for two lines to be coplanar is a vector c vector minus a vector dot product of b vector plus d vector is equal to 0. First we have to find b vector cross d vector. B vector cross d vector is equal to I vector j vector k vector b 4 4 minus 5 4a minus 5. Next d vector 7 1 3. Expanding this we get b cross d. I vector 12 minus minus plus 12 plus 5 minus j vector of 12 plus 35 plus k vector of 4 minus 28. 4 minus 28 is equal to I vector 17 minus j vector 47 plus k vector of minus 24 is equal to 17 I vector minus 47 j vector minus 24 k vector. Now c vector minus a vector. C vector minus a vector is c minus a. 8 minus 5 is 3i vector. 8 minus 5 is 3i vector. Next 4 minus 7 is minus 3j vector plus 5 minus of minus positive plus 8k vector. C vector minus a vector is 3i vector minus 3j vector plus 8k vector. Now the product of c vector minus a vector dot product of b vector plus d vector is equal to C vector minus A vector is 3A vector minus 3J vector plus 8K vector dot product of 17I vector minus 47J vector minus 24K vector dot product. We know that inner dot product I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1. Therefore 3 17s are 51 minus of minus positive plus 347 141 minus 192 is equal to 192 minus 192 is equal to 0. The condition C vector minus A vector dot B cross is 0. Then given three vectors are coplanar. In this case, two lines are coplanar. Hence, the given two lines are coplanar. Question number 2. Show that the question is plane containing in which they lie. Vector equation. So last line, the vector equation is and vector equation is or vector dot 17I vector minus 47J vector plus minus 24K vector is equal to 172. So minus 172 is equal to 0. This is the required vector equation. Next, question number 2. So that the line x minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to z minus 4 divided by 3 and x minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 divided by 1 or coplanar. Also find the plane containing these lines. Let the two lines be first line x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 by 3 is equal to next x minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by 1. Here A vector is equal to first line numerator 2I vector plus 3J vector plus 4K vector. B vector is first line denominator I vector plus J vector plus 3K vector. C vector is second line numerator I vector plus 4J vector plus 5K vector. D vector is minus 3A vector second line denominator minus 3A vector plus 2J vector plus K vector. cross d vector is equal to I vector j vector of 1 1 3 minus 3 2 1 is equal to I vector 1 minus 6 minus j vector 1 plus 9 plus k vector 2 plus 3 is equal to I vector of minus 5 minus j vector of 10 plus k vector of 5 is equal to minus 5i vector minus 10j vector plus 5k vector. Next find c vector minus a vector is equal to c vector is I vector plus 4j vector plus 5k vector minus a vector is 2i vector plus 2j vector plus 4k vector. Subtract second from first, we get minus I vector, next plus 2j vector, next plus k vector, plus k vector, then c minus a vector plus k vector. Now c vector minus a vector dot product of b vector plus d vector is equal to minus I vector plus j vector plus k vector dot product of minus 5i vector minus 10j vector plus 5k vector. We know that I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. So 5 next minus 10 plus 5 is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 5. Hence 10 minus 10 is 0. The condition for the two straight lines are coplanar, then c vector minus a vector dot product of b cross d is 0. Therefore, hence the given two lines are coplanar. Question number 3. Containing the lines. So we have to find the Cartesian equation of the two lines. The Cartesian equation is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2. X1 y1 z1 taken from the first line numerator, L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 taken from the two lines denominator. Okay, x minus x1 is 1, y minus 4, z minus 5, 1 1 3, next minus 3 2 1 is equal to 0. Expanding this, x minus 1 into 1 minus 6 minus y minus 4, 1 plus 9 plus z minus 5 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 1 minus 5 minus y minus 4 of 10 plus z minus 5 of 5 is equal to 0. This means minus 5x1 x minus of minus positive 5 minus 10y minus of minus plus 40 plus 5z minus 25 is equal to 0. Minus 5x minus 10y plus 5z 25 15 and 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. Divide throughout by minus 5. We have x plus 2y minus z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required Cartesian equation. Question number 3. If the straight lines x minus 1 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by m square, and x minus 3 divided by 1 y minus 2 divided by m square is equal to z minus 1 divided by 2 are coplanar. Find the distinct real values of m. Let the two lines be first line x minus 1 by 1 y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by m square. Second line x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 2 divided by m square is equal to z minus 1 divided by 2. Here a is equal to first line numerator I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. B vector is first line denominator I vector plus 2j vector plus m square j vector, m square k vector. C vector is second line numerator 3a vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. D vector is second line denominator I vector plus m square j vector plus 2 k vector. Now first to find C vector minus a vector. C vector minus a vector is 3 minus 1 is C vector minus a vector. 1 minus 1, therefore C 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 3 is minus 2k vector, 0 I vector plus 0j vector minus 2k vector. cross d vector is equal to I vector, j vector, k vector. D vector is 1 2 m square, c vector is 1 m square 2. Now expanding this I vector of 4 minus m square minus j vector 2 minus m square plus k vector m square minus 2 of m square minus 2. Okay, I vector into 4 minus m square into m square, so m power 4. Next 1 2s are 2, 2 minus m square plus k into m square, 1 2 is 2, so minus 2 is equal to b cross d. Now c vector minus the given condition is coplanar, therefore c vector, since c vector minus a vector in dot product of b vector cross d vector is equal to 0. Coplanar is given, therefore 0. Now this means first c vector minus a vector is minus 2k vector, minus 2k vector, dot product of I vector of 4 minus m power 4 minus j vector 2 minus m square plus k vector of m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I vector, k vector 0, k vector, j vector 0, k vector dot k vector is 1, therefore minus 2 into m square minus 2 is 0. This means since minus 2 is not equal to 0, therefore m square is equal to 2. M square minus 2 is equal to 0, then m square is equal to 2. M is equal to plus or minus root 2. This is value of m. Hence the value of values of m are plus or minus root 2. Next, question number 4. The straight lines x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 7 y plus 1 divided by 7 z by 2 and x plus 1 divided by 5 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z by lambda. Z by lambda are coplanar. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. And the equation of the plane containing these two lines. These two lines. Let the two lines be be First line x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 1 x minus 1 by 2 y plus 1 divided by lambda is equal to z by 2. Second line x plus 1 divided by 5 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z by lambda. Here a vector is equal to first I vector y plus 1 is equal to 0 means minus j vector plus 0 k vector is equal to I vector minus j vector. Next b vector denominator 2i vector, denominator the first line 2i vector plus lambda j vector plus 2k vector c vector is equal to second line numerator minus I vector, next minus j vector plus 0 k vector is equal to minus I vector minus j vector, minus I vector minus j vector. Next d vector is equal to second line denominator 5i vector plus 2j vector plus lambda k vector. Now first to find c vector minus a vector, c vector minus a vector is equal to c vector minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2 vector. Next minus 1 plus 1 0, next 0. So minus 2 is answer. C vector minus a vector is. Next to find a b cross d. B vector cross d vector is equal to I vector j vector k vector 2 lambda 2 next to 5 2 lambda 5 2 lambda. Expanding this I vector to lambda square minus 4, lambda square minus 4 minus j vector of 2 lambda minus 10 plus k vector of 4 minus 5 lambda, 4 minus 5 lambda. Now c vector minus a vector dot product of b vector cross d vector is equal to 0. Why? It is given that the given two lines are coplanar. So since c vector minus a vector dot b cross d is 0, now c vector minus a vector is minus 2i vector into I vector of lambda square minus 4 minus j vector of 2 lambda minus 10 plus k vector of 4 minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Here I vector only, therefore I dot I is 1 minus 2 into lambda square minus 4 plus 0 is equal to 0 minus 2 into lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. Since minus 2 is not equal to 0, therefore lambda square is equal to 4, lambda is equal to plus or minus 2, lambda is equal to plus or minus 2. Hence the values of lambda, hence the values of lambda is plus or minus 2. Sum number 1, find the equation of find the equation of the plane containing of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes r vector dot product of 2i vector minus 7j vector plus 4k vector is equal to 3 and 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0 and the point minus 2 1 comma 3, this point lie on the plane. Okay, first let the planes are first plane r vector dot 2i vector minus 7j vector plus 4k vector is equal to 3. Second plane becomes, this can be written as r vector dot n vector is equal to p other form. So r vector dot 3 vector minus 5j vector plus 4k vector is equal to 4k vector is equal to minus 11. Now the point of intersection of the planes are the point, take r vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. The point of intersection of the planes are r vector dot n1 vector minus d1 plus lambda into r vector dot n2 vector minus d2 is equal to 0. This is the condition for the point of intersection of the two planes. Now this means first 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda into here 3x 3 into x 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Now the point minus 2 1 3 lie on the planes. Therefore the point minus 2 1 3 lies in the above. Substitute x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3 in equation number 1. We have 2 into minus 2 minus 7 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 3 plus lambda into 3 into minus 2 plus minus 5 into minus 5 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 11 is equal to 0. This means minus 2 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Now 2 is equal to 2 lambda. 2 lambda is equal to 2 lambda. 2 lambda is equal to here 12 plus 2 12 lambda. 12 lambda is equal to 12 divided by no. So lambda is equal to 1 by 6. Substitute the value of lambda is equal to 1 by 6 in equation number 1. 1 is 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus 1 by 6 into 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Now take LCM. 6 into 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. This means x minus 42y plus 24y plus 24y minus 18 plus 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Multiply 6, the first bracket 12x minus 42y plus 24 minus 18. Others as it is 3 minus 5, 4 and 11. Now this means 12x plus 3x 15x minus 45 5 negative sign 47y plus z 4z plus 24, so 28 z 11 minus 18, so minus 7 is equal to 0. 15x minus 47y plus 28 z minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane. Question number 2. Find the question number 2 is homework. Therefore, question number 3. Find the angle between the lines r vector dot r vector is equal to 2a vector minus j vector plus k vector plus t into plus t of I vector plus 2j vector minus 2k vector, and first is line, so plural singular line, and the plane r vector dot 6a vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector is equal to 8. In this case, single line and a plane are given. Therefore, let the line be first line B or vector is equal to 2a vector minus j vector plus k vector plus t of I vector plus 2j vector minus 2k vector, and let the plane be r vector dot 6i vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector is equal to 8. Theta b, the angle between a straight line and a plane. Then sin theta is equal to b vector dot n vector divided by magnitude in the direction of b vector dot magnitude in the direction of n vector. Here b vector is equal to in this case I vector plus 2j vector minus 2k vector. N vector is taken from the second plane. Therefore, n vector is equal to b 6i vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector sin theta is equal to I vector plus 2j vector minus 2k vector into 6i vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector divided by magnitude in the direction of, so square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 whole square into 6 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. We know that I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. Therefore, 6 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 9 root 9 into 36, 45, 49. So 12, 8. 8 divided by 3 into 7 is equal to 8 divided by 21. Sin theta is equal to 8 divided by 21. Theta is equal to sin inverse of 8 by 21. Okay. Hence, the angle between the straight line and a plane is theta is equal to sin inverse of 8 divided by 21. Find the angle between the planes. Find the angle between the planes r vector dot I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector is equal to 3 and 2x minus 2y plus z is equal to 2. Let the first plane r vector dot I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector is equal to 3. The second plane can be written in the form of r vector dot n vector is equal to d. Then r vector dot 2i vector minus 2j vector plus k vector is equal to 2. Now r vector dot n1 vector is equal to c and r vector dot n2 vector is equal to some t. In this case, if theta be, let n1 vector is equal to first bracket, first plane, first bracket I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector. n2 vector is equal to second plane bracket the 2i vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. If theta be the angle between the two planes, in this case two planes are given, then between the two planes, then cos theta is equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector normal vector, n1 vector magnitude in the direction, n2 vector magnitude in the direction. First n1 vector I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector dot product of 2i vector minus 2j vector plus k vector divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square, square root of 2 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 1 square is equal to 2 minus 2 divided by minus 2 divided by 4 6 root 6 into 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 root 6. In this case, numerator negative, therefore we have to take magnitude in the direction of n1 dot vector n2. So the negative sign into positive sign is equal to angle must be taken in positive. Therefore 2 divided by 3 root 6. Hence the angle between the two planes, theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 divided by 3 roots. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane which passes through the point 3 4 minus 1 and is parallel to the planes 2x minus 3y plus pi z plus 7 is equal to 0. Also find the distance between distance between the two planes. Let the plane be 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 7 is equal to 0. Any plane parallel to the another plane is two x minus 3y plus 5z plus k is equal to 0. Parallel means plus k is equal to 0. This passing through the point, this passes through the point 3, 4 and minus 1. Substitute x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. We have 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 1 plus k is equal to 0. 6 minus 12 minus 5 plus k is equal to 0. This means 6 minus 17 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 11 plus k is equal to 0. Now k is equal to positive 11. Substitute k is equal to 11 in equation number 1. Substitute k is equal to 11 in equation number 1. We have two x minus 3y plus 5z plus 11 is equal to 0. Now the two parallel lines are, first is 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 7 is equal to 0. Second one is 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 11 is equal to 0. The distance between the two planes. The distance between the two planes. Formula d2 minus d1 divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. In this case, the first equation, the first plane, d is 7, here d is 11, therefore d2 is 11 minus 7 divided by square root of a square 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 square plus 3 square is 5 square minus 5 whole square, no, plus 5 whole square, 4 divided by 4 plus 9 plus 25 is equal to 4 divided by 9 plus 4 is 13 38, 13 plus 25 38. Now we cannot cancel the numerator and denominator. Therefore, units. Hence, the distance between the two planes is 4 divided by root 38 units. Question number 6. Find the length of perpendicular from. Find the length of perpendicular from x1 y1. In this case, length of perpendicular from the point 1, -2, 3 to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 5. First, let them equation of the plane be. Let the equation of the plane be x minus y plus z is equal to 5 or minus 5 is equal to 0. The length of perpendicular from the point x1 y1 z1 to the plane is ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Taking the modulus means length of perpendicular from x1 y1 z1 to the plane is ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 minus k divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Length of perpendicular from the point (1, -2, 3) to the plane x minus y plus z minus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 1 minus -2 plus 3 k is minus 5 divided by 1 square plus -2 plus -1 whole square plus of -1 whole square plus 1 square. Coefficient of x is 1 a square. Coefficient of y is -1 whole square. Coefficient of z is whole square 1 positive 1 whole square, taking square root. Suppose the length is negative, we have to take modulus. It's equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 5 whole divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 divided by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Hence 1 by root 3 units. Hence the length of perpendicular from the point 1, -2, 3 to the plane x minus y plus z minus pi is equal to 0 is 1 by root 3 units. Today homework, ex number 6.8 all are worked. Therefore ex number 6.9, sum number 2, sum number 7 and 8. Today homework. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you students.